Hello, class 11th student. Today I am going to teach you the atomic mass, molecular mass and mole concept under the chapter Basic Concept of Chemistry. Atomic mass. Atomic mass is the mass of an atom of an element. It is the relative mass of an element with 1/12 the mass of an atom of carbon 12. If we express this mass or atomic mass in gram, it is known as gram atomic mass or gram atom. As the gram atomic mass or 1 gram atom of hydrogen is equal to 1.008 gram. The gram atomic mass or 1 gram atom of oxygen is equal to 16 gram. Similarly, mass of sodium, gram atomic mass of sodium or 1 gram atom of sodium is equal to 23 gram. Next thing, to calculate the number of gram atoms. If you know the mass of any element, given mass of any element, and you know the atomic mass of the same element, you have to calculate the number of gram atoms present in that given mass of the element by using this formula, as number of gram atoms is equal to mass in grams divided by gram atomic mass. Here one question is given to you. Calculate the number of gram atoms present in the following masses. First 12.69 gram of hydrogen and second is 40.089 gram of calcium. We all know that atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 gram and atomic mass of calcium is 40.08 gram. So, dividing the 12.69 gram by 1.008 gram, we get the number of gram atoms of hydrogen. Similarly, we have to calculate the number of gram atoms in 40.089 gram of calcium. Next topic is atomic mass unit or AMU. Every time you are studying that atomic mass is given as for hydrogen 1.008 AMU. So why not it is given in gram? What is this AMU? AMU is the quantity of 1/12 mass of an atom of carbon 12 and it is known as atomic mass unit. As carbon 12 has one atom of carbon 12 has mass 12 by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to 1.9924 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. This is the actual mass of one atom of carbon 12 and 1 AMU is the 1/12 of this 1.9924 into 10 to the power minus 23. It means 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. The actual mass of an atom of any element is equal to atomic mass of an element in AMU into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. It means if we want to change the atomic mass unit into gram, we have to multiply that atomic mass unit by 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Then we convert the mass of an element given in atomic mass unit into the gram. And this is the actual mass of one atom of hydrogen. So what is the actual mass of hydrogen atom? It is in gram, it is 1.6736 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Actual mass of one atom of hydrogen in AMU is 1.008. Similarly, if we have to calculate the actual mass of oxygen atom in gram, we convert it by multiplying 16 AMU by 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. It comes 2.656 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Our next topic is molecular mass. As atomic mass is the mass of one atom, similarly molecular mass is the mass of one molecule. All of you know that when atoms combine together, they form the molecule. Molecule may be of element or compound. Molecular mass is also the average relative mass of a single molecule of the given substance as compared to 1/12 the mass of an atom of carbon 12. Gram molecular mass or gram molecule is the molecular mass expressed in gram. How to calculate the number of gram molecule? If it is given the mass of any element in gram, and you have to know that what is the number of gram molecule in that given mass, we have to divide that given mass by molecular mass. As one question is given to you, calculate the mass of 1.5 gram molecule of sulfuric acid. All of you know that sulfuric acid H2SO4 has molecular mass 98. It means in gram or gram molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98 gram. So this is the mass of 1 gram molecule of sulfuric acid. What is the mass of 1.5 gram molecule? We have to multiply this value by 1.5. Next question, to calculate the actual mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide. If we calculate the molecular mass of carbon dioxide as it is 44, we can calculate the actual mass by multiplying the molecular mass by 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Our next topic is mole concept. The term mole was introduced by Ostwald in 1896. A mole is defined as the number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12, and it has been found that this number is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. This number is known as Avogadro's number. It means 1 mole of any substance contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 units. Unit can be atoms, molecules, ions or electrons. If I am saying 1 mole of hydrogen atoms, it means 1 mole of hydrogen atom contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. If I am saying 1 mole of hydrogen molecule, it means it contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. If I am saying 1 mole of potassium ion, it means it contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 potassium ion. Means 1 mole contain every time 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 units. Mass of 1 mole atoms of any substance is the atomic mass expressed in grams. Mass of 1 mole molecule of any substance is molecular mass expressed in gram. For example, 1 mole of aluminium contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. As mass of 1 atom of aluminium in gram is equal to 27 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Mass of 1 mole of aluminium is equal to 27 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. It is equal to 27 gram. The value of 1.660 into 10 power minus 24 multiplied by 1.602 into 10 power 23 is 0.99 approximate, and which approximate we can say it is 1. That's why mass of 1 mole of aluminium is 27 gram. 1 mole of any molecule contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So 1 mole of any gaseous substance occupy 22.4 liter volume at STP, which means 6.02 into 10 power 23 molecules of any gas occupies 22.4 liter as volume at STP. Here are some questions for you. First, calculate the number of molecules and number of atoms present in 64 gram of sulfur. Molecular mass of sulfur is 32 into 8, as 1 molecule of sulfur contains 8 atoms. We get 256 gram per mole. Number of molecule is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. This is the number of gram molecule in 64 gram of sulfur. So if we multiply this value, means 1 number of gram by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, we get the total number of molecules, which is 1.505 into 10 power 23. Now to calculate the number of atoms, because 1 molecule contains 1.5 into 10 to the power 23 and 1 molecule contains 8 atoms. So by multiplying it, we get the answer 1.204 into 10 power 24. Next question is, what is the mass of 1 mole of electron? Mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Mass of 1 mole of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into Avogadro number. We get the answer 5.48 into 10 power minus 7 kilogram. Next question is, calculate the number of atoms in each of the following. 4 AMU helium, 4 gram of helium, and 4 mole of helium. As atomic mass of helium is 4 AMU. So given mass divided by atomic mass means 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Second part, 4 gram helium. 1 gram helium contains 6.02 into 10 power 20. 4 gram helium means 1 mole of helium, that is 6.02 into 10 power 23 atoms. Number of atoms in 4 mole helium is equal to 4 into 6.02 into 10 power 23. It means 2.4092 into 10 power 23 atoms.